about the medicine wheel?
The medicine wheel teaches us that there are 4 aspects to our nature:
the physical, the mental, the emotional, and the spiritual. We focus on the physical teachings.
We talked about taking care of our bodies. We made a list of ways to take care of our bodies.
Here's some of the ways we can take care of our physical bodies.
Get active. We need to move our bodies to develop strong muscles and bones.
His hands are high, his feet are low, and this is how he pops it out. His hands are high, his feet are low, and this is how he pops it out. Popsicle, pop, popsicle, popsicle, pop, popsicle. Hey, Joanna.
Hey, what?
Are you ready?
For what?
To pop,
What?
popsicle.
Fuel our bodies. We need to give our bodies a good nutrition with a variety of foods.
We make smoothies!
That was super good.
You didn't like it? No, yeah,
Keep our bodies clean. We need to keep our bodies clean. That way we look good and we won't get sick as often.
We're brushing our teeth. We're taking care of our teeth.
Did you know you should brush your teeth for 2 minutes?
We're washing our face.
We wash our hands before snack.
Dress properly. We need to keep our bodies comfortable so we are not
too hot or cold.
Getting dressed for winter!
I have no idea what
The teaching from the medicine wheel are important in helping us develop as a whole person.